YouTube. It's been a couple weeks since we've given you an update on our Kenny Park remodel, so what better time than when it's raining to come and give you an update. So we're going to take you inside. We're probably about a week and a half out, so it's getting down to the finish line. Let's go and check it out. First thing you'll see is this door here is in need of a bit of a paint job, so we are going to go with Pale Navy, which is one of my favorite blues that we have done in the past. So as you come in, you'll see that the floors have been done. They're covered up right now to protect them, but you'll get a peek of those in the kitchen. And the paint is fully done throughout the house. We went with Toasty Gray by Bear throughout. And you might recognize this barn door here. This was one of our YouTube videos that we did, the modern barn door. And a lot of people ask, you know, what do we do with our videos, with our furniture once we make the videos? And oftentimes they go into our flips. So if you like the look of this barn door, it's going upstairs in the upstairs bathroom. Go check it out on our YouTube page. JP will link it up for you. And over here, if you recall, we needed a dining area. This home did not have a space for a dining table. So what we did was we carved out a dining nook. And the way that we did that was by taking the closet from the bedroom behind us. Took that closet away, kind of carved this area out, put up some shiplap, put in a built-in bench, and we're gonna put in a custom table that we built. It's another one of our YouTube videos. If you have a dining area or space where you wanna put a dining table that isn't quite big enough for a standard dining table, this one is 5 feet long by 22, 23 inches wide, and it's gonna fit this space perfectly. So check that video out as well. Moving on. This is one of two of the main floor bedrooms. Both bedrooms got the same flooring as the rest of the main level and new paint. This closet became a little bit smaller, so we lost space on the closet, but we gained a dining room. So in my book, that's a win. And moving into this bedroom. Another question that we get asked a lot is, what do you do with all of your staging furniture? The answer to that question is it's generally housed in JP's basement, which is not always convenient, but that's where we keep it. The best situation is when we can move it from one flip right to the next, which we were really hoping that we could do with this last situation, but there's about a couple weeks difference there. So right now it's currently being stored here. So we got a U-Haul, moved it over before the other house closed. It's in the garage and this room. So that's where it is. It didn't work out perfectly, but that's remodeling for you. All right, coming into the bathroom. This is the main floor bathroom. Again, we did the Toasty Gray by Bear. We've got the same flooring. We don't have all the fixtures in. We've got this vanity from IKEA, which we really like. It's kind of a space saver. It looks cool. It's not fully assembled yet. And we've got a little flashlight here giving us light because the electricity is not working right now. So we're working with what we have here. If you want to check out the tile here, we've got the same tile upstairs as downstairs bath. This tile is from Home Depot, and we used it in our last flip as well and really like it. It's light, bright, modern looking. I'm putting in this mirror, which is one of my favorite mirrors we've been doing in a lot of flips. It's from Target, gold, love it. Go get you one. Moving on, we're going to go into the kitchen. So here you can see that floor. This is throughout the main level again. And we've got the cabinets in. These cabinets we did dove gray for the lowers and white for the uppers. The countertops are quartz. And we just got our hardware in. It's gold. I love gold hardware. So that is gonna look like that on the gray and that on the whites. I always get excited about hardware. Another thing I get excited about is backsplashes. This one we put in our last flip as well, and we received so many compliments on it and questions. It's from Home Depot. I'm pretty much obsessed with it. I love it. So, of course it went into this house as well. If I could put it in my own house, I would. So that is going to wrap up our main floor, and JP is going to take you upstairs now.
That was Liz taking you through the kitchen. She was great, wasn't she? She's quite the doll, and she just got married 2 weeks ago, so if y'all are out there and want to give her a congrats on that, thumbs up. Congrats, Liz. Alright, well anyway, let's go upstairs and check that out. Yeah, we're almost at the end of the road here for this house, so this week we're getting carpet in. That's always a good sign when you're almost at the carpet stage of things. And the floors are done up here as well. We can give you a little sneak preview here. So, they are not pink paper floors, they are indeed wood plank hardwood floors. Those are looking awesome. I can't wait to see the final product on that. I think last time we were up here, I don't even know if the sheetrock was in, but now the sheetrock's in. We have the fake beams up here. We're going to get some can lights up here, which will look pretty nice once they cut those in. And then Liz mentioned before, we're going to put the barn door on this bathroom for the master bath up here with the modern barn door that we made. So that will look pretty cool, hopefully. And then this is the master bath. The biggest bathroom you've ever seen in your life, I know. It's the attic space, so yeah, we're a little confined on space, but I like the layout. I think we did what we could in here. We got the full shower, toilet, which is probably needed, and then a master vanity, also from IKEA. And then once you're done in the bathroom, you can come on in and go back to sleep. We got our master bedroom in this area, so kind of like the whole attic space will be a giant master suite. And that's kind of it up here. And here we are in the basement. Not much left to do down here, basically just carpet. Carpeting the stairs, carpeting the floor, but yeah, other than that, the paint's done, the trim's done, the sheetrock's done. We got can lights going in as well, so really at the home stretch here for the basement, which is always a great feeling. Over here, there's some utilities that we kind of boxed in, so we kind of gained some extra storage space, which is always nice in the house, as well as hid the not so pretty items of the basement. So yeah, this is kind of the living area, and then as you remember, we added a bedroom over here. I can show you that one quick. This one also is basically finished aside from the carpet. Everything's painted, trimmed out. We got the light fixture in, not that one. So we're just switching that out. And then the egress is done as well. And yeah, it's getting down to the wire here. So as Liz said, we probably have another week or so of work, and then we'll be staging it. So we'll give you another tour once it's finally staged. So stay tuned for updates, hit that subscribe button, and we'll be sure to show you the finished product. Until then, y'all take care out there and have a good rest of the week.